Hey everyone, get
So
this.
this
We
is
are
the
diving deep
commercial
today
that I
into something.
mentioned earlier. So if you're on my email list, this is what I actually sent out in the email. So the email was inviting people to this particular workshop. And in within the email, I actually put this that I created in Notebook LM, which is a commercial. So I'm going to show you how you can create this for yourself. I'm going to go ahead and play it so you can hear it. And I might not play it all the way through because it is almost 3 minutes long.
Hey everyone, get this. We are diving deep today into something super cool.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's all about like this new AI tool.
Okay.
And it could be a total game changer, especially if you're a small business owner.
Yeah.
You know.
Interesting.
So there's this workshop happening. It's called, get this, Google's most powerful AI tool will blow your mind.
Ah,
I know, right?
get the cheese.
It is. And it's on Wednesday, October 30th at 10:00 a.m.
Okay.
And it's hosted by this amazing woman named Ramona Foster.
Oh, I've heard of her.
Yeah, she is a social media marketing trainer and consultant. And let me tell you, she's already using this tool to get incredible results.
Yeah, and the potential of this is just huge.
Right.
We can't reveal the exact name of this AI tool just yet, but what I can say is that it's designed to really boost productivity,
That's what I'm talking about. Like, give me something that can.
especially for small businesses.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm already so curious. Can you give us just like the little sneak peek? What can this tool actually do? So imagine this. You have a tool that can just take over all those really time-consuming tasks
Ah,
that
yes.
bog you down
So
as a
as
small
you can
business.
see, all I did was I went into Notebook LM. We're getting ready to go in there. I created a prompt asking it to telling it, first of all, who I am and that I'm having this workshop. I told them the name of the workshop and I said to them, please do not tell them the name of the tool that I will be talking about, right? So I wanted to keep it a little mysterious. And this is the commercial that it came up with. And if you want to hear the whole commercial, you can always go to my YouTube channel because it's on there. I am in my, I believe this is my business. Let me see. Oh, yeah. So this is my business Notebook LM. This is what we're going to do. So when you get into Notebook LM, yours will not look like this, most likely, if you've never used it before. Because like I said, I've already created a bunch of notebooks. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the new notebook, whatever yours looks like, because I can't even remember what it looked like because I've been in here so long playing around. But you'll see a new notebook button. Go ahead and click on that. In my case, it's a plus sign. Once I click on this new notebook button, yours again, if you're just starting, I'm pretty sure it did not look like this. So yours is going to look a little different. What it's going to do is it's going to say you can add sources. So in creating your notebooks, you would want to add sources. If I go ahead and if I hit the X on this box, and sources, by the way, again, are PDFs, their videos, their website links, their books, whatever it is that you want to upload to generate content from or to get Notebook LM to summarize or create content ideas for. If I hit this X on this, it's going to bring me to this dashboard, right? So this is what the dashboard looks like. And this is where you can begin to generate a note if yours looks like this as well. So you can click on add note. You can view the chat if you've actually chatted in this box at the bottom. And then you can click on Notebook Guide, which will show you all of the information that it generated. Over on the left, you will see the sources. So you can click this plus sign to upload sources. You can check this box to select all sources. Right now, I don't have any sources over there. And at the top center or close to the center, you'll see Untitled Notebook. So what you'll do is you will name this notebook. So I'm going to just call it New, but you're going to call it like I would call it workshop description or book summary, and then name the book, call it whatever you would. I'm just doing this for the workshop. I'm just going to call it new. To the right of where the title is a gear icon that says settings. So when I click on this gear icon, it has Notebook LM FAQs, and then you'll see a Discord link, which means that you can join their Discord community. I don't know if any of you are on Discord, but Discord is a place where people, it's like a Reddit or a Quora where people go, they have little communities. Notebook LM has a community where you can go in and give your suggestions. You can tell them what you like, what you don't like, what you suggested they add. And they really do listen to the people that are in that community. I'm not a big fan of Discord, so I have not joined this particular community, but if they come out of Discord and create the community somewhere else, I probably would go in there. You can also switch to light mode under settings, or you can switch to dark mode, right? So you can click on that. So I'm going to go back into light mode. Also, you can share whatever this note, you can share your notes. So if you click here, you can share that, get a link to your notes and share it with people. And as with all Google, you'll see your picture. When you move your mouse over it, you'll see your email address there. And when I click on add note, so I can add a new note and click in here and start typing whatever the note is that I want to type. So that part is easy, right?